Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do the basket weave stitch. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot. So you're going to hold your yarn just like so, pop your fingers in and your thumb. You're going to twist the bottom, grab the working yarn and pull it through. And that's our slip knot. We're then going to pop our hook in, pull tight, and we're going to start off by making a chain of 6 plus 5 and making a chain of 24. So to chain, we yarn over and we pull through that loop on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. And I'm going to do that a total of 24 times. Once we've got our multiple of 6, we're then going to add on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we want 2 for our turning chain as well. So 1 and 2. So that's a multiple of 6 plus 5 plus 2 for the turning chain. We're then going to make a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I'm going to work into the back loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, and it's just above that one. So to make a double crochet, we yarn over, we go into the chain, we yarn over again, bring that through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch or each chain all the way down. To do that double crochet, we yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 of those loops on your hook, yarn over, go through 2 more loops. And we're just going to repeat that all the way down to the end of our chain. Once we finish doing our double crochets, we're going to start onto our next row. So we chain up 2, 1 and 2, and this counts as our first double crochet. We then turn our work. So because this counts as our first double crochet, we're not going to go into the stitch below it. We're then going to work our front post double crochets and our back post double crochets. So to do this, we're going to yarn over, and we see this one is for this one up here. So we're going to go to the next one. So to do a front post double crochet, we're going to go in through the side of that stitch from the right side, round the back of it and come out the left side. Yarn over, bring that through, yarn over and create our double crochet. And we're going to do that a total of 3 times. So that's 1. For the next one, we're going to go in from the right hand side through to the left, yarn over, pull through and then create a double crochet like normal. So yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2, and one more time. So we yarn over, go in through the right hand side of the stitch, out through the left, yarn over, pull through and create that double crochet. Now we're going to do 3 back post double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, and this time instead of going from the front, we're going to come up through the back. So we're going to go round the back, come up through the right, and we're going to go down through the left. Grab our yarn, pull that through, and then we're going to create a double crochet. 1 and 2. And we're going to do that a total of 3 times. So yarn over, come in through the back, so the back of the stitch, like so. Go out through the left, yarn over, pull through, bring up, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2. Okay, so one more time, we're going to come up through the back. So we're going through the back on the right hand side, going down through the left, yarning over, pulling that through, and again bring it up and create that double crochet. So we've got 3 front post double crochets, 3 back post double crochets, and then you're just going to repeat that all the way down. So you're going to do 3 front post double crochets, 3 back post, 3 front post, 3 back post until you get all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the other end. Okay, so when you get to the other end, you should have something that looks like this, and you should have 1 stitch left, which is your turning chain, and we're just going to put 1 double crochet into the top of that turning chain. For the next row, we're going to chain up 2, 1 and 2, and this counts as our first double crochet. Turn our work, and then for the first lot of stitches, we're going to be doing back post double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, go in through the back, around the front to the back, bring that through, and then create your double crochet. Remember, you want to do these really loosely so that they're not too tight when you pull them through. So yarn over, through the back, to the back, and double crochet through the back, on the right hand side, to the left, through the back, bring through, and create that double crochet. Then for the next 3, we're going to do front post double crochets. So in through the front, right hand side, round the back to the left front side, yarn over, pull through, create that double crochet. For the next 3, and you're just going to repeat that all the way down. So in the ones where you've done the front posts, we're going to do back posts. In the one where you've done the back posts, we're going to do front posts. So for the next 3, it will be 3 back post double crochets. The next 3 after that will be 3 front post double crochets, and repeat that to the end. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this, so we can start seeing that basket weave come into play now. And then for the last stitch, we're going to put a double crochet into the top of that turning chain. Next round, we're going to chain up 2, which counts as our first double crochet. Turn our work. We've got the front post double crochets, and we're going to put back post double crochets into those. So remember, this one counts as our first stitch, so we don't go into the first stitch, we go into the next. So we're going to yarn over and do a back post double crochet around that first stitch. Remember to do it loosely. Back post double crochet around the next. So in, out, pull through, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2, and one more time. So we're going to go in through the back, around the front, out through the back, grab the yarn, pull through, through 2, through 2. Now we've got our 3 back post double crochets, so we're going to put front post double crochets into these. So yarn over, through the side, up through the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're just going to repeat that all the way down. So for the front post double crochets, you're going to put the back post double crochets, And for the back post double crochets, you're going to put front post double crochets. Okay, so at the end of this row, we're going to make sure we put our double crochet into that turning chain, the top of the turning chain. Just like so. And you should see that basket weave really coming together now. So for the next row, we're going to chain up 2, 1 and 2. And of course, this counts as our first double crochet. We're going to turn our work. And we're going to start off by putting in front post double crochets. So of course this counts as our first double crochet, so we're going to ignore this one and we're going to start into the next. So we're going to yarn over and create our front post double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And then we've got what look like back post double crochets, so we're going to put back post double crochets in. So yarn over, come through the back, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and do that 2 more times. And then we've got our what look like front post double crochets, although on the previous round they would have been back post, but on this round they look like front post, so we're going to put front post in there. So you just alternate all the way down, front post, back post, front post, back post, for 3 double crochets at a time. And once you've completed the row, remember to put that double crochet in the top of the chain 2 from the previous round. For the next row, we are going to chain up 2, 1 and 2, turn our work, and this counts as our first double crochet. We're then going to put a front post double crochet into this first stitch. So this obviously counts as our first, so we're going to ignore this one. We're going to go into the next one and put a front post double crochet, and then 2 more front post double crochets. And then 1 back post double crochet into each of the next 3. And we're going to repeat it all the way down. So the next 3 will be front post double crochet. The next 3 will be back post double crochet. So when you see the back post double crochets, we're going to put front posts into them. And when you see the front posts, we're going to put back posts. Okay, and to continue this pattern, what you're going to do is you're going to complete rows 3 to 6 until you get to the right size that you're looking for. If you want the written pattern, I'll have that linked below for you. It will be on my blog. And I hope you enjoy this, guys. It's really good for hats and for blankets. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.